Two house fires displaced 15 people over the weekend in Savannah. You're looking at video of the first on Oleander Avenue Sunday morning. According to Savannah Fire, the cause was a malfunctioning space heater.
The second fire happened an hour later on Fleet Street. The cause, an electrical malfunction. And
WSAV's Sarah Smith talked with fire officials today, and they tell her this happens often in the colder months.
Well, that's right, and accidents happen, but the folks with the Savannah Fire Department say they don't want to see any more of these incidents, pushing people to take the right steps to keep their home warm and safe. Savannah Fire Chief Investigator Fred Anderson hopeful the department has a quiet winter. Ideally, no fires and a safe community.
Put us out of a job. That's what we want you to do.
He's pushing to educate folks on the potential dangers of using space heaters, specifically using them wrong, to prevent further fires like one that happened at this home in early December on Oleander Avenue. He shared some life-saving tips. You want to place the heater on a flat, hard surface so it can't tip over.
Carpet, throw rugs, things like that. Don't put space heaters on that. You're just increasing your risk of having a fire.
Anderson says you do have options, though, if you want to warm a room that has carpet floors. Place the heater on a sturdy table or platform instead. No matter where it is, Anderson says to make sure there's at least 3 feet of space between the heater and other objects.
When we see space heater fires, the most common cause that we see are combustibles too close to a space heater.
Avoid plugging them into power strips or extension cords.
These space heaters draw a lot of energy, and it overloads those cords and those power strips real quickly, and they start to heat up, and then they cause a fire.
Also, don't use the heater if it looks old or damaged. Anderson says if you're ever in doubt, reference the heater manufacturer's recommendations.
Let's have no more fires from space heaters, and let's keep everybody safe during this cold weather.
And while you're checking your space heaters, Anderson says to go ahead and check your smoke alarms as well. Make sure they're working and not out of date. If you are able, buy a fire extinguisher as well for your home and learn how to use it so you're safe all year long. Sarah Smith, WSAV News 3, on your side.
Sarah, thank you.